Hey everyone, Blackhawks Vision here. This is Blizzard versus Thrashers. Welcome to State Farm Arena in Atlanta, Georgia. You got the Blizzard who are 4-0 and the Thrashers who are 3-1. So this should be a good game. I need to read the schedule, make sure I got this right. There, the mouse is working. I need to make sure I got this right. No, that's the broadcast information. Here's the schedule. Okay, good. I got it right. This should be a good game. Thrashers, Blizzard. Thrashers are 3-1. Blizzard are 4-0. This should be a fun one. Let's start opening intros. Now it's like 4 o'clock, so it's not going to be that dark. Now I can't solve this problem of light getting in. Go. Here we go. Let's start.
Told you to walk away. That was my first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face. What can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the starting lineup for your Atlanta Thrashers. At left wing, number 9, Evander Kane. At right wing, number 53, Jess Skinner. At center, number 69, Marian Hossa. And in goal, number 32, Jonathan Quick. Subs for the Thrashers. Number 28, Patrice Cormier. Number 39, Victor Aidsel. And number 32, Jake Ottinger. The head coach for the Thrashers is Claude Noel. The Saskatoon Blizzard. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise, remove all hats, and join us in the presentation of the anthems. First, the Canadian National Anthem. And now, the American National Anthem. Thank you, and enjoy the game. Alright, we're set to go here from Atlanta. You got Thrashers Blizzard. Should be a good one, and I swear to God if it's a blowout. Here we go. Thrashers Blizzard is underway. Blizzard get the draw. Adler across to Hornquist. Hornquist fires one, he missed it off the post. A really close first shot and a turnover to the Thrashers. Sent across. And Hossa fired, he could not get it across. And that's a shot missed from Megan. Thrashers taking it here. Evander Kane, saved by Hart. And out, Hornquist, saved by Jonathan Quick. Skinner, oh, it's a fake. Hossa, save. Megan, trying to return the favor, could not. Across, turned over to Evander Kane. Turns and fires off the post, it didn't go. A few close calls here in the first 30 seconds of the game. And behind the net, good pass out, a shot missed. And now the Blizzard have it. Megan missed the net, and it goes out of bounds. We have our first stoppage of the game. Just to let you know, Discord has some new broadcast beginnings. We do not do the music before the broadcast anymore. We just start the broadcast. It's like, boom, we're starting. Up ahead, oh, good pass. Megan fires blocked there by Hossa. And now Hornquist gets the puck, hasn't shot it in a while, but Jonathan Quick makes a save. Shot blocked by his own teammate and winds up in the corner. And now sent up ahead, Hossa fires deflected out of bounds. 0-0 through here through the first minute of the game almost. Now we're through the first minute. Sent across, Hornquist missed. Got it up ahead. Megan, oh, he tried to fake it, and they score. A goal is the call on the ice. I thought it was a goal for sure. I think I should check this one. So, we're going to go ahead and check it. Alright, I could verify that that is a goal. I just went ahead and I just wanted to go ahead and check it to make sure. Because I wasn't so sure. I just went with the call of goal. And it was in. 1-0 Atlanta. Jeff Skinner fakes. And now some more passing. Skinner fires. And he is blocked by Megan. Now let's put the time increment back. That time increment is 1 freaking second. And now the face-off to Atlanta in the corner now. Evander Kane trying to put it behind. Oh, he put it on the line instead. Blizzard get it now. Great save! That's another close call. Should that be an awarded goal, or is that a save for Carter Hart? We'll check this one too. We're going to review. Alright, after review, we have no conclusive evidence to overturn the call, so therefore the call on the ice of a save stands. No goal. We have no conclusive evidence to overturn it. So we're going to have the face-off right here. So it's still 1-0 instead of it being 2-0 Atlanta. So I think they may have gotten shafted. Oh my goodness. I literally went across the crease. Hossa! This one counts. Marion Hossa, 2-0 Atlanta. I don't know if I like these 4 o'clock starts anymore. Oh, good passing back and forth. Fires it, missed. Rebound deflected. So now Alex Edler fires a save. And now it winds up with Evander Kane. Got it across. And a shot by Skinner. Save. Came right back to him, and it's a save there. And now across. Kane misses entirely. Minute 15 left. Atlanta leads it by 2 at 2-0. Hossa gets the puck. He misses. Evander Kane gets it in a save by Carter Hart. Blizzard get the shot and a save. Rebound missed entirely. And now Quick having a little trouble, and now he gets it away to Jeff Skinner. Oh my goodness! An errant pass winds up in a goal for Saskatoon, and that is what gets the Blizzard on the scoreboard. 2-1. The face-off to Atlanta. And it's a turnover and an offside there against Alex Edler. We've had no one fly over, and we've had no contact so far. It's been a clean game. Instead of a head, oh, what was that? That probably could have bounced in. Kane, oh, he tried to fake it. Gave it to the Blizzard, but it's deflected away. 45 seconds left. Thrashers lead 2-1. Oh my gosh, that was closer than you ever thought. Jeff Skinner has the shot. No good. Sent ahead. Oh, it came back. Adler. Good smart play there, but... And Marion Hossa misses the net. Kane rebound to save. Came right back. More passing. Whoa, that was another close call. Here's a shot save, and now they'll keep it alive. Thrashers have it. Nice passing here. Kane, a save by Carter Hart. Up ahead, and Megan shoots it. And a stop for Jonathan Quick. Marion Hossa gets the puck. Fakes. Kane. Back to Hossa. Deflected away. Now the Blizzard get it. Alex Edler fires in a stop. Marion Hossa. Oh, it's deflected there. Now he gets the pass. No good. Rebound save again. And it's deflected out. Hornquist missed the shot. Still on the line. And an offside as time expires. So the first period is over. And the Thrashers currently lead the undefeated Blizzard 2-1. We'll be right back. Back for period 2. 2-1 Atlanta so far. Face off. Now they get the puck. Oh, he's having a little trouble. He misses that. Now I'm behind the net. Edler. Oh, he came right back. Edler. Now here's Hornquist over the net. And now Jeff Skinner has it. Got it out. Evander Kane, it's a turnover. Alex Edler rolled it to a spot where he could shoot it, but he did not get a good shot. Hossa offside. He had a very difficult time keeping his footing, and he goes offside. And we'll have the face-off here. Atlanta gets the draw shot off the post, and it goes out of bounds. And now they'll send it out. Good act by Brett Hull to just place the puck out there, and now they get it on the dot. And now the face-off to the Blizzard, a shot, a save. And now, oh my god, he had a pretty much open net. Sent out Marian Hossa, has it, shoots, and a save there for Carter Hart. Blizzard control and a save there, and now the Thrashers have the puck. Evander Kane will possess it along the near boards. And now with some trouble, and it's a goal. As Jonathan Quick slides out of his position, he tries to get it to center, but it's blocked by his teammate. The Blizzard tied the game at 2-2, 35 seconds into the period. That shot's going to be missed. And now sent in behind the net, Evander Kane. Oh, he tried to bounce it. What a play! Usually those don't work. Now the Blizzard have it. Patrick Hornquist in a save for Jonathan Quick. He turned it over to the Blizzard. He missed the net. Megan could not get a good shot on the goal. Oh my gosh, that was a close call. They're not going to try it again. They're just going to have Carter Hart possess it. Alex Edler fires it, missed. And now a decent play here. Hossa! 3-2. And they're going to send it out. We're only a minute and 3 seconds into the period. It feels like a lot more time ticks off the clock. But, trust me, it's actually not as much as you think. And now, I went out of bounds again. I guess we'll have another face-off. Alright, finally, the puck's in play. A shot caught by Carter Hart. And now, oh, he's out of the net! That was such a late shot. And now they score right after. The game is seeing more scoring, as usual. Well, I mean, we've had 3 goals in this period, and it was 2-1 after the last period. So 3 goals. It was 3 goals, so it's whatever. Having a little trouble on the board. Turned over and a save. Rebound missed entirely. Would have been a goal and they missed. Patrick Hornquist turns it over and it's sent away. And another turnover. This is a period of turnovers. Hossa, 4-3. So the Thrashers have 2, Blizzard. No, I lied. So we've had 4 goals in this period. Face off to Atlanta, save. And now the Blizzard are kind of slowing it down just a bit. Oh, he shot it. Blocked. Rebound. Deflected up. And out of bounds. For the face off right here. Minute 18 left in the second period. Atlanta leads it 4-3. Shot deflected right there. Now Hornquist fires on goal. It's a save for Jonathan Quick. Across the ice. And a save there. On Edler by Quick, and he had to make another one. It was pretty quick reaction, I must say. Evander Kane, he missed that, and now they continue to control it. Oh no! That is the second time that has happened to Atlanta. 4-4. As once again, the puck bounces in off of a weird deflection off Hossa. And I'm surprised he hasn't been pulled from the game at this point. Oh, here comes Claude Noel. Poor Hossa. Being taken out of the game after he gave up 2 own goals off of himself. He was just in bad places at the wrong time. Patrice Cormier has entered the game for the first time since the playoffs last year. So he's headed into the game in the spot of Marian Hossa, and Cormier is not even that good. Just throwing that out there. So it's been a high-scoring game. So high-scoring period. I got to keep a goal. I got to keep an eye on that limit. Got to keep an eye on the goal total. We got 5 so far. Got to keep an eye on that. Face off to Atlanta. What was that? And he shot it blocked. Now Hornquist in a save. And that one's going to be blocked. It's going to wind up in the corner. Patrick Hornquist will control it. Oh, it's too powerful of a pass. What was that? From Jeff Skinner. And now Alex Edler has it. Fires! It's 5-4 Blizzard. We're definitely going to hit the 7-goal limit. So once again, a low-scoring game is turning into a high-scoring game, as usual. The hell was I doing there? Took the net off, and we had a huge collision there. So we've still had no penalties in this game, nor have we had anyone fly over the glass, which is a surprise. So it's once again probably going to be a 7-6 final. We had such a low-scoring game yesterday, 4-3. What happened? Now the goalies suck all the time. And how has Jonathan Quick not been pulled from the game at this point? Still in bounds, apparently, and the Blizzard will control it. Center had turned over. Oh, and he missed that on a save. Rebound stopped again. Blizzard will control it. Sent across the ice. Alex Edler has it. Fires, and it's caught by Quick at the last moment. He put it on top of the net. And a save by Carter Hart as he was down. Patrick Hornquist sent him ahead. And that is the 7-goal limit. We once again hit the 7-goal limit as after 2 periods, a low-scoring game turns into a high-scoring game. The second period is over with 15 seconds left. Let's make it official. There it is. We'll be back. Well, third period's about to get underway. At least it's relatively close. Am I right? The Blizzard with 5 goals in the second take the lead 6-4. I better keep an eye on. Now, I don't have to keep an eye on the limit in this period. There's no 7-goal limit in the third. Puck went into the bench. 6-4 here. Out of bounds again. So after 2 face-offs, a total of 2 seconds have ticked off the clock. If this happens again. Okay, good. It didn't. That was a weak shot. Hornquist across the ice. Gets the puck back and a save. Kept away by Carter Hart. And that's another goal for the Blizzard. And Claude Knoll has seen enough. And a piece broke off him. I can put that back. Claude Knoll has seen enough. Out he comes, and Jonathan Quick is out of the game. Jake Ottinger going back in for the first time since the playoffs last year, as the Blizzard have taken a 7-4 lead. As we're again going to have a road team win, as usual. Jake Ottinger in the game. Forgot what number he was. Is Jake Ottinger number 32? Hold on, give me just a second. Give me just a second. Now, Jake Ottinger's number 29. Jake Ottinger. We'll see if he and his Thrashers can come back after being down by 3 right now. They're down by 3 right now. It's 7-4. Now let's get the scoreboard back in position. Blizzard leads 7-4. A quick shot by Hornquist is no good. Sent out Evander Kane and a save. Rebound save again. Man, he is making all the saves in the world, Carter Hart. That's another save. We have not had a game go to overtime since at the end of week 2. We have not seen overtime since then. It's week 5 now. Now the face-off. Here's a shot. He goes out of bounds. That is the first person to fly over the glass in this game. Now they got to treat this like a PK, and they're down by 3. And he's in the net. Oh, he missed an opportunity. And now Cormier having some trouble. He'll take the puck. Skate around. Shoot it off the pipe. The Thrashers finally put one home. It's 7-5. Still 2:18 left in the third. Thrashers back in it. Face-off out of bounds again. How many times can that happen in a single game? It'll be in the Blizzard end. The Thrashers get the draw here. Evander Kane has it. He fakes. Gave it over to Skinner. He flies over again. That's 2 now. And it's a turnover to Atlanta. Across the ice, Evander Kane a save. The Thrashers can calm it down a little now. Evander Kane missed it. And a rebound from Cormier and a stop. Blizzard have it. And he knocks his guy offside. So Jeff Skinner has now flown over the glass twice. If he flies over again, then that's it. He'd be out of the game. And the Thrashers only have 1 man left on the bench, aside from Hossa, who's been pulled from the game. Jeff Skinner has it. And he shoots one to stop. Rebound turned away again from Carter Hart. Now, they score again. Evander Kane pulls Atlanta to within 1. Carter Hart having some trouble. This can't be good, can it? 7-6. We're probably going to end 8-7 again. Face off to Saskatoon. He shot it, deflected. Thrashers get the puck here. Sent across the ice. He fires, turned away, and it goes out. Got to add a second back again. So we went from low scoring to high scoring. Thanks, second period. 7-6 Blizzard. Thrashers get the draw. Oh, what is he doing? And he shot off the post. Jake Ottinger gets it out. Oh no! A third own goal for Atlanta. The Blizzard now lead it 8-6. And that's pretty much going to do it if they can't come back. And it's on the line now. Blizzard get the puck. Sent up ahead, a shot, no good. They'll continue to possess for a little. They'll kill a little time, and a shot deflected away. Sent out ahead. Jeff Skinner in a save, and a turnover. And he'll fire it again. It bounces into the box. It goes out of bounds. The faceoff will be into Blizzard end yet again. 1:19 left in the third period. The Blizzard lead. A great save by Jake Ottinger. Now they can take the time they want to get him out of there. And Evander Kane fires. He couldn't get it through. And a shot blocked. 1:08 left. The Thrashers still down by 2. They got to get one really quickly. But the Blizzard get the draw and a shot save. And they're already killing time a little bit. He fires blocked. Into the bench with 1:02 left. The Thrashers cannot give up another goal or this thing's over, and they give up possession. He fires a save, deflected away. 1 minute left. They're down 2. He fires a save, and the Blizzard are going to get it. They can't pull the goaltender even if they wanted to. We don't really see them pull goaltenders when they're down 2 very often. The shot goes out, but it's going to be in the Blizzard end again. Which means it's virtually over. And now the Blizzard are going to turn it over, and Kane scores! Evander Kane lifts one in to put the Thrashers to within 1 again. 8-7. But the question is, can they tie it? We saw the Legends come oh so close a couple times. Last game, they get the draw. Goaltender's off. Victor Ejdsell is out. Ejdsell deflects it. Jeff Skinner a shot save. Ejdsell missed it. And the empty net blocked on the line there. And now Ejdsell going to go in behind to get this puck. Sends it out to his teammate. This is Evander Kane. He fires a save and it bounces into their own net. And that's going to end it. So once again, a game that looks like it can go to overtime doesn't. 9-7 Blizzard. With 19 seconds. The Thrashers have got to get another one to get back in this. Jeff Skinner fires a save and the faceoff will again be in the Blizzard end. And the puck bounced into their own net. And now the Blizzard passing around. There's a shot deflected away. 8 seconds left. They have to score. Evander Kane across. Jeff Skinner a save, and that's going to be the game. They turn it over. Save again. Game over. And another away team win. Now the away teams are winning everything again. That's 4 in a row. The Blizzard win this one by the final of 9-7. And again, Claude Noel breaks on the bench. So yep, game over. Went from low scoring to high scoring as freaking usual.